for the man cabin. All that information, so we just go a couple of steps and just see if there's messing about. Just the inspection side of things. Right, I'll open order and then we'll dress them. Stirling Castle! Ho! Open order, march! Right, dress! Oi! Front! Stand up! Easy. Stand easy. Very sorry. Gents, listen in a second. When we get down onto Victoria Square, after the eyes right to the civic party, Scots want one single file. Everyone hear me? Yeah? So the order you'll get from me is Stirling Castle, Form 1 file. Right? What's going to happen is, front rank, the two next to you will fall in behind you. Does that make sense? So Tomo, then Roundtree, you're going behind Matt, then Brace. Then the two of you, then next to you. Does that make sense?
I understand it. So, we can't hear you.
Yeah, I'll consider the Scots one file down on the so you'll hear the order Stirling Castle Form 1 file. Just the left hand rank as we're marching will open up and you two fall in behind Wrench, you two fall in behind Bunny. Does that make sense? Yeah.
I assume I will be the tail end.
So you'll be at the very tail end.
So if I take a stop behind me, then I'll stop behind me. Maybe follow that. You'll be behind you. So you can take it. You'll be left as we march. Are you happy with what you're doing? Right, so slow down, slow down, turn around, slow down, raffle, bring the MA, and then Campbell and Pollard will be behind you. Is that right? As long as you end up in one file, I don't move. Scots fine with us, yes. So obviously there's practice this. Yeah.
Cool.